Oh, and it's nice. Huh?
I asked him.
Oh, you asked for that. Oh, okay.
He asked me, do you want the straight or do you want have a curve? I said curve.
Wow. Okay. Well, so we're at the house right now. What is it, Choco? June 6th? June 7th? June 7th. And lots of really cool updates in the house right now. So we're just talking about this is a TV stand and how it was this curved wood right here. I forgot the term for it, but yeah, so that's what we have going on there too. The pantry is taking shape as well. So they already put the counters, the countertops in the pantry. And as mentioned before, right here we're gonna have like a rice cooker and a bread maker and stuff like that. And then a little small refrigerator there for extra stuff for Choco's baking material. And plenty of outlets along the wall for that. And then there's going to be some counters here to add more stuff. So again, the pantry is just kind of an extension to the kitchen. And I said it's about 5 p.m. or so. Nice sun coming through. Oh, wow. So it looks like they're getting ready to put the shikui plaster on the walls right here. They're protecting the wood. And also, wow, I'm really loving that. Really liking that TV stand right there. That's really cool. And the exciting news is that Loft is coming along. So they started the Loft yesterday and should be done in a day or so. But this is what the Loft is looking like right here. So as mentioned before, it's a hanging loft. And that's how it's hanging from these original beams with wood pegs and attached to the original beams right there. That's really cool. And the thick flooring. And I imagine there's be some sort of rails right there so you don't fall off. But so this is going to be the loft right there, and it will serve as the loft for the little ones and also some storage space as well. And it kind of overlaps between the bedroom and the tatami room right here on my left. Yeah, that's gonna look really cool. Let's see. The laundry room is taking shape as well. The laundry room, they have installed, well, finished, well, not finished. In the laundry room with sheetrock and all that stuff getting ready, but they have also installed the folding table, the countertop right here. Here on this side is going to be the stackable washer and dryer. Again, really loving this nice and thick wood countertop, wood floors, and then screen plaster on the walls. And then also the really cool woodwork right here. Again, this laundry room extension is not just a little 2x4 extension. It's like it looks like original part of the house. And in this section right here is where the little sink with hot and cold water will be. And additionally, the toilet. They got some work going on in the toilet as well. So this is the toilet area right here. And so the toilet would be here, obviously, right here where the toilet would be there. But then you also have a little counter for, there'll be a sink right here to wash your hands and then to put other stuff right there. Okay, so just a quick update on the house